Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to do a really quick video for you guys on a hairstyle that you can do when you're trying to stretch your wash day. So as you can see, my hair, it needs some tender loving care, but I want to do this hairstyle first. You're not going to need that many materials. The only thing that you're going to need is some headband, bobby pins, edge control. I'm using a leave-in conditioner, so let's just get started. Okay, so when I start to part my hair, I like to just use my finger first. I know it's not going to be perfect, but it gives me a foundation of where I want my part to be and how to get it straight from there. So after I'm done parting it, I just put the back in a ponytail to focus on the front. And I'm just spritzing my hair with just a little bit of water. And then I'm going to be using one of my favorite products ever in life. I'm using it as a leave-in conditioner. Just spraying it on my hair just so my hair can be moisturized while I have it in this style. And next, I'm just going to be using my favorite edge control to just lay down my hair in the front. I'm also going to be using it in the back to tackle my kitchen as well. All right, so now I'm just putting it in the ponytail, making sure that it's extra secure and tight, but not too tight. You don't want it to be hurting your head or have a strain on your head. You'll be having headaches, none of that. But I'm just going to comb my hair out, get all the kinks and knots out. And I'm just going to take my hair and roll it in a forward motion. So I can't explain it, but you see what I mean. And I'm just tucking the ends under, and I am just going to take my bobby pins and put one on each side to make sure that it's secure. And I just continue to do this throughout my whole head. I'm only doing 3 buns because I wanted it to be kind of an updo, so I didn't want any buns in the back. I just wanted it to be slick up. And y'all, the song that I'm singing right now in this video, not the song that you hear, but the one that I'm singing in this video is Ring with Cardi B and Kalani, 2 of my favorites. And I just cannot get this song out of my head, y'all. It's literally stuck in there. I've been singing this all day and night. This is the face you make when you run out of your favorite product. I was so hurt, y'all. But anyways, so I'm going to use this leave-in conditioner instead, and hopefully it will get the job done, and just go ahead and put it on my hair and continue to make my buns. So when I originally did this style, all of my buns were the same size, but I kind of like that the 2 on the outside are small and the one in the middle is big. I like the little contrast it's giving, but you could do it however you want. All right, guys, so that's basically it. Just a really cute and simple hairstyle for you to do when you're having a bad day or your hair's not cooperating with you or you just don't know what to do. I got you, and here's the hairstyle for you. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. You know I gotta keep my edges laid. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will just see you all on the next video.